multifunctional composites in the B4C zirconium diboride Tb2 system for armor plates, turbine blades and blades, high temperature and wear resistant for nodes. By Z. D. Kovzirids, Z. Mestvirishvili, G. Tabatads, N. S. Nijharadze, M. M. S. Wills, M. Balkhashvili, Andy Nikolashvili. Resume. Goal. The task was to study the phase composition of received consolidated materials in the TIC titanium diboride zirconium diboride system. The powders were pressed by hot pressing method in a vacuum 10 to 3 pascals at 2150 degrees Celsius, 2200 degrees Celsius temperature and 20 to 25 megapascal pressure. Pressing duration at final temperature was 5 to 8 min. Experimental works have been conducted, the objective of which was to improve mechanical properties of boron carbide by introduction of doping elements into the system. Titanium and zirconium were selected as doping elements, which were introduced into the system in the form of titanium diboride and zirconium diboride. 4 types of boron carbide titanium and zirconium mixtures with various titanium and zirconium diboride content were used in experiments. Optimal process parameters, as well as doping elements concentration, necessary to provide the required high mechanical parameters in the composite were defined. Methods. To study the phase composition of the composites, an X-ray structural analysis was conducted on the Drone 3 device. To study the microstructure, research was conducted on an optical microscope AC100 and a raster electron microscope, Nanolob 7, of the company Opton. Results. In the boron carbide titanium diboride and boron carbide zirconium diboride systems, nanocomposites with high mechanical properties were obtained. The advantage of this method is that compounds, which are newly formed thanks to interaction going on at thermal treatment, titanium diboride and zirconium diboride are active, which contributes to boron carbide titanium diboride and boron carbide zirconium diboride formation at temperature 21500 C. It is evident that inculcation of titanium diboride in the crystal skeleton of boron carbide is easier, since at this temperature interval crystal skeleton of boron carbide titanium diboride and boron carbide zirconium diboride is still in the process of formation. Conclusion. The phase composition of the obtained composite provides high physical, technical, and performance properties of these composites. Compression strength 2182 MPa, bending strength to 98 megapascal, thermal expansion coefficient a 20-700-3.610 to the power minus 6 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.